Hello guys, I am Sagar and you are watching Sagar Science. Today I will do two experiments in this video with Coca-Cola and salt. First we will do Coca-Cola salt with balloon, and second we will react Coca-Cola and salt one time. First do Coca-Cola with salt with balloon. I have poured some salt in this type of salt. I poured this salt in the balloon. Now I will clip this in front of the bottle. You can see I will clip. I have clipped the balloon Coca-Cola's bottle. Now I will flip the balloon and eat. See what is happening. See what is happening. This balloon is now I will test this with this Coca-Cola bottle.